Bonjour mes chers étudiants, hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Wendy, I'm a French teacher and in today's lesson we are going to look at partitive articles in French, les articles partitifs. This will be the first lesson in a 10 lesson series that I'll be doing to help you with some of the problematic beginner level grammar. If you are intermediate or advanced level, don't worry, I will also be doing a 10 lesson series just for you. If you're new here, please do subscribe, and if you already did, hit that bell to get notifications every time we have a new video. Also, don't forget to follow my socials, Instagram and TikTok at Miss Lingua. Are you ready? Let's get started. French nouns must have articles. We have different articles like definite articles, indefinite articles, partitive articles. So, what are these partitive articles? Partitive articles are used to show or to indicate an unspecified quantity of something. They are used when referring to a quantity that cannot be precisely determined. In English, for example, we say some or any, some water or any sugar. However, in French, they vary according to gender and number. We are going to look at all that right away. So what are some of the forms of partitive articles in French? Here you can see there are 4 different forms. Du, de la, de l'apostrophe, and des. The choice of any of these partitive articles is determined by the gender of the noun and the number of the noun, whether it's masculine or feminine and whether it's singular or plural. The first article du is for masculine singular nouns. De la is for feminine singular nouns. De l'apostrophe is for all the nouns which begin with a vowel or silent H. And finally, des is for plural nouns. Let's look at some examples. As I said, we use partitive articles to show an unspecified quantity of something. For example, if you want to say some cheese or some salad, you use du, de la, de le, and des, depending on the gender and number of the noun. Here we have fromage, singular, masculine, so we use du fromage. De la salade, salade, feminine singular, so we use de la. As you can see, this means some, a part of something. Look at these examples in a sentence. J'achète du fromage blanc. J'achète du fromage blanc. Or, elle mange de la salade. Elle mange de la salade. I am buying some white cheese. I am buying some cheese, not all the cheese. And she's eating some salad. She's eating some salad. You can also use partitive articles for drinks. For example, some water or some orange juice. You cannot count water. You cannot count juice. So you say some, de l'eau. Or du jus d'orange. Remember, the partitive article depends on the gender or the number of the noun. Let's look at examples. Il boit de l'eau. Il boit de l'eau. He is drinking some water. Je veux du lait. Je veux du lait. I want some milk. Lastly, if you have abstract concepts that you cannot count, we also use partitive articles. For example, I have some patience or courage, some courage. De la patience. You cannot touch patience, it's abstract. Or du courage. Courage, masculine, singular, du. Patience, féminine, de la patience. To summarize, we use partitive articles when we are dealing with mass nouns or uncountable nouns like water or sugar, or when we are talking about food like some meat or some salad, de la viande, du fromage, or drinks, some water, de l'eau, or even abstract concepts. Now, one thing you should be very careful with to avoid making any grammatical errors is when we have expressions like beaucoup d'eau, trop d'eau, or even the negative form pas de. Let's take a look at some of these expressions. First, we have beaucoup de, which means a lot of something, a lot of water. Un peu de, a little bit of something, a little bit of something. Trop d'eau, too much of something, too much or too many, too much sugar. These expressions give additional information or more information on the degree or the extent of the quantity. Let's look how they are used together with partitive articles. Example, j'ai mangé beaucoup de pain. J'ai mangé beaucoup de pain. Here you see I underlined de. Pain is a masculine singular noun, but when it's together with beaucoup de, the partitive article de does not change. So when we have expressions like beaucoup d'eau, trop d'eau, we use the de as it is and it does not combine with the masculine noun to form du. You do not say j'ai mangé beaucoup du pain. Okay, I ate a lot of bread. J'ai mangé beaucoup de pain. Je vends un pot de lait. Same thing, peu de, a little bit of milk, un pot de lait. Tu as mis trop de sucre. Tu as mis trop de sucre. You put a lot of sugar, too much sugar. Trop de remains the same. So don't make a mistake of using du sucre or de la farine. Okay? Trop de farine. Trop de salade. The same goes for negative phrases. Il n'y a pas de légumes and not il n'y a pas de légumes. Il n'y a pas de, pas de. Elle ne vaut pas de viande and not elle ne vaut pas de la viande. Elle ne vaut pas de viande. Je ne bois pas de café. Je ne bois pas de café and not du café. It's time to practice. But before that, if you'd like to know some of the common mistakes to avoid when using partitive articles, let me know in the comments below and I will send you a PDF. Let's start by translating the following sentences from English to French. Be mindful of the partitive articles. I'll give you a few seconds each time. I need some bread. I need some bread. J'ai besoin de pain. J'ai besoin de pain. Can you buy some cheese? Can you buy some cheese? Tu peux acheter du fromage? Tu peux acheter du fromage? She doesn't have any milk. She doesn't have any milk. Elle n'a pas de lait. Elle n'a pas de lait. Be careful. Pas de. De does not change. We drink some wine. We drink some wine. Nous buvons du vin. Nous buvons du vin. Do you want some water? Do you want some water? Tu veux de l'eau? Tu veux de l'eau? That was easy. How many did you get correct? Let me know in the comments below. If you have any other questions on partitive articles, if there's something you did not understand, please do leave me a comment down below and I'll be sure to elaborate on anything that you did not understand. Once again, if you watched the end of this video, do like, subscribe, hit that bell for all the notification. Follow me on my social Instagram and TikTok at Miss Lingua, and I will see you in the next lesson, our second lesson. Don't forget, it's a 10 lesson series, so I'll see you on the next one.